In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an order form in Fluent Forms. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard, where the first thing you need to do is install Fluent Forms. Head over to Plugins, then Add New, and search for Fluent Forms. Once it appears, click Install Now, and then Activate. This gives you access to the form builder directly inside WordPress, so you can create and manage your order form without needing extra tools. Next, go to Fluent Forms from the dashboard and click New Form. Here, you can choose either a blank form if you want to build everything from scratch, or use an order form template if one is available and fits your needs. After that, click Create Form to open the builder. Now it's time to add the fields for your order form. Using the drag and drop builder, include the customer information fields you need, such as name, email address, phone number, and address. Then add your product-related fields like product selection, quantity, a price field, and any options or variations such as size or color. You can also include payment-related fields like payment method, an optional coupon code, and an order summary so the customer can review everything before submitting. Once the structure is in place, set up your product prices. Add a payment item field, then enter your product names and their prices. If your products come in different versions, you can add those options as well. And if customers should be able to order more than one item, make sure to set quantity rules so the totals calculate correctly. After that, go into Settings and Integrations, then open Payment Settings. From there, connect your preferred payment gateway, such as PayPal, Stripe, or another supported option. Enter your payment details carefully so the form can process orders properly. Next, open Form Settings to customize how the form works. This is where you can adjust the form title, submission messages, email notifications, and confirmation settings. These details improve the customer experience and help make your form feel more polished and professional. Then go to Email Notifications. Add an admin notification, enter the email address where you want to receive orders, and customize the order email details. This helps ensure every submission reaches the right inbox with the information you need. When your form is ready, copy the Fluent Forms shortcode. Open the page or post where you want the form to appear, add a shortcode block, paste the shortcode, and then publish or update the page. Before going live, test the form by submitting a sample order. Check that the form submission works, the payment process runs correctly, email notifications are sent, and the order details look accurate. Finally, to manage incoming orders, go to Fluent Forms and then Entries. From there, you can review customer orders, export the data if needed, and follow up as necessary. That's how to create an order form in Fluent Forms from start to finish.